Does human body produce energy? If we don't produce energy, we just can't do any work. We're daily doing so many works. For every work, we need energy. So where does this energy come from? So obviously there is a reason that we eat food, so we get energy from food. But where does this food gets its energy? Obviously, this food gets its energy if you eat plants or animals, vegetarians or non-vegetarians. The plants gets their energy from sun. So ultimately, the energy that we are using to do any work is coming from the sun. Sun is the ultimate source of energy. As the thermodynamics first law says, energy is neither created or nor destroyed. It just moves from one form to another form. So what exactly is the energy in our body? Mostly if we read any book, you will come to the conclusion there's something called ATP is the energy for human body. So how exactly the sun's energy is converting into the ATP? We don't capture energy directly from the sun. We don't have that kind of receptors that can capture the sun's energy. But the plants have it. That's why this process is called photosynthesis, as everybody knows. The energy of the sun is converted into ATP and also the glucose and whatever the plant require. So this is how the sun's energy is converted into the storage form of glucose or sucrose or any other carbohydrates, proteins, all these lipids and ATP in the plants. So what are we doing is we are just eating these plants and whatever the animals that eat these plants, we eat both, so we get energy from there. So what exactly is this energy? How does this energy forms in our body? If we take the plants that we eat, all we eat is proteins, carbohydrates mostly. All the carbohydrates are broke down into their simple forms, suppose glucose and fructose, like that. Whatever you may be eating starch or anything, they are all big forms. All they are, whatever you eat, they are all broken down into small pieces in your body. From those broken down particles, the least monosaccharides, they even more broken down. This is the simplest form of a glucose. It has 6 carbons. While breaking down these energies, ultimately we produce or we forms ATP for breaking these bonds. The energy is actually stored in these bonds. Whatever the energy stored in these bonds ultimately get converted into ATP. In ATP also, in ADP plus pi, this bond is the ultimate source of our energy.